Hello everybody, good morning. You're with Martin Penev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlook. Starting with today's European markets and with a little bit of a flashback on what happened last week and today early in the morning. The European markets are with continuation with their uptrend. From last week, the German DAX is moving near the major resistance level at 90.80. With 140 pips up move over the last two trading days, about 200 pips over last week up movement, and even managed to open with a very small gap early this morning. The French CAC 40 is following the DAX as usual, and there we saw a positive comment from Mr. Neuer from the ECB over the weekend, telling the media that the French banking system has to be rewarded for its professionalism and fast reactions towards contributing to the European zone banking systems. The major announcements today will be how much did the ECB spend on its quantitative easing equivalent, and the reaction from the investors will cause some fluctuations for sure. The FTSE, moving to the UK, is again hovering around the 6,400 level, forming a triangle pattern on daily charts. Today, from the calendar, we're waiting to see the money supply quarterly and year-on-year for the European zone, and reading of the IFO business expectations, business climate, and current assessment. And the Confederation of British Industry will file its reports from its survey of the UK retail and wholesale distribution sector. Moving to the Asian markets, the Nikkei is moving closely to its 100 moving average at the 15,500 major psychological level, just before the retail sector files its month-on-month and year-on-year updates later in the evening, and holding a positive movement, which is not to be seen in the Hang Seng or at the rest of the Chinese markets. The news is that China is looking to set up its own Asian central bank. 50 billion are going to be invested there, central banking system, and it should be largely discussed in the near periods. Taking a look at the US markets, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500 are on an uptrend, and the news from the Fed are all over the calendar for the week. Today, the market services and composite PMI indexes, along with the property market outlook and the Dallas manufacturing index, along with the 3 and 6 month bill auctions. Very big week, as I said, ahead for the United States dollar, with a lot of major announcements from the Fed, durable goods and consumer confidence tomorrow, the monetary policy statement and rate decision, and also the quantitative easing quote on Wednesday. Remember, it's going to be done by the preliminary announcements. On Thursday, the GDP preliminary quarterly readings, employment and unemployment readings, as well as the wages outcome and personal spending. That is all from me from today. Thank you very much for your attention. Cheers and have a successful trading day. Bye-bye.